What's up with it, Hood News peeps? It's your girl Grizzly reporting live here with the Hood News. Ooh, dang, friends. Oh my goodness, y'all.
But he's inside of this building.
Oh,
I'm so sorry.
There's the suspect, friends. Oh my goodness, y'all. Get out the way. Look at this, friends. These people crashed right now. These people crashed into a car, and the suspect jumped into this building. He went into this building. Oh my God. Suspect on the loose. Y'all be careful. It's a 3-car accident scene right here off of Wall and West Dallas. Hold on. Man, friends, this is so sad. There's a suspect on the loose. Baby.
Yeah, he can describe bull. You want to
Oh, damn, y'all. They just put a female in the backseat of the cop car. They just put the female in the backseat of the cop car. Damn. Let me get out the way. Oh, my God, y'all. Somewhere in this building, there's a suspect. Officers are on the scene. We got HPD out here. Dang, friends. Craziness going down tonight, you guys. Right here off of West Dallas and Wall. This is Grizzy reporting live here with the Hood News. Prayers going up for everybody. I think there might be somebody injured. Suspect on the run. He went somewhere into this building right here. This construction. Oh my goodness. Yes, friends, the Lambo. No word where the suspect could be. They're looking for him right now. Dang, he took off like a bandit in the night, y'all. Damn. They got a female in custody right now. One female in custody. Wilding out, y'all. Baby, they done crashed the Lambo. Dang. Damn. Be safe, folks. Somebody's hurt, I think. Damn. They're currently looking for somebody who fled from an accident scene. I don't know if there was a pursuit or what. I don't really have a lot of details. There's an accident. And guy took off on foot. Like he's running around here somewhere. They're looking for him. West Dallas at Wall, y'all. West Dallas at Wall. This is Grizzly reporting live here with the Hood News. Suspect could be anywhere up in here somewhere. They're going to look for him. Dude fled. Like after the crash, he took off on foot. The 1000 block of Wall. He came out of the Lambo. He came out of the Lambo. The Lambo, you guys. West Dallas at Wall. Damn, man. H-Town is wilding out tonight. We got the chiefs out here. We got the mayor out here too, y'all. We got the mayor out here. We're doing a initiative like where we're like visiting different places, talking about the noise ordinances, the reckless behavior and all that stuff. Look, somebody's in the... Oh, damn. Somebody was inside the... Somebody in a Lambo crashed into some cars, and they're looking for the guy that jumped out on foot. They got the female in custody, but I don't know. They might let her go. They're going to have to do a flatbed. They're going to have to do it on a flatbed. Damn. Crazy stuff tonight, y'all. There goes Assistant Chief Rodriguez. What's up with it for these peeps? We're here off of West Dallas and Wall. There's been a terrible crash. This guy jumped out of the Lamborghini that you guys see here. Hold on a minute. He jumped out of the Lambo and took off. His female's in the backseat of that cop car. I don't know if she's gonna be spreading cheeks or not, but the guy is probably, if they catch him. Be careful, everybody. If you live in this area, be careful, because somebody's on the run. Oh my God. Here they come. HFD is on the scene. Oh yeah, it's rainy, it's drizzly. They're gonna try to move this accident scene out the way real quick. There's like 3 cars involved, I believe, and we got the fire station here. Fire station is here. Sixth Ward Fire Station. Drive through the Jack in the Crack. You're gonna have to, if you want to move around, you're gonna have to drive through the Jack in the Crack. It's a lot of Lambos and sports rides. Or is that Ferrari? I can't even see, man. Look at the... Oh, there's the chick. Look, look, look. Baby. Ooh. She's gonna have to be checked up on by the she got hurt, dude. Her mouth got busted up. Pobrecita. Man, y'all be careful who y'all go on dates with, y'all. She's just a passenger. She's not, I don't know. I don't think she's gonna be in any trouble. I don't know. They just detained her real quick. She's not, I don't think she's going to jail. Pobrecita, dude. The airbag deployed on her too. Friday the 13th activities, man. This is Grizzy reporting live here off of West Dallas and Wall. The dude took off. I don't know who he is. What kind of boo activity is that, man? Dinner and a crash. They're going to get the canines out here. They're going to get the canines. I think they're going to look for this guy. They closed down a perimeter, you guys, so I think they're going to look for him in this building. They're about to deploy the canines. All I know right now is that I think there was like a pursuit or something. Or the guy, there was a crash. We do know there's a crash. Let's just say that. Crash, and then the dude took off running. He might be in this building. He might be in this building that's under construction. They've closed the perimeter around the building, you guys. The passenger's okay, thank God. She was hurt. She got hurt, y'all. Dinner and a crash, you guys, for real. paramedics are checking out the passenger. We got the mayor out here tonight too, the chief. Multiple agencies involved out here in this initiative. We got Harris County Sheriff's Office, DPS, HPD, Metro PD also. They've already done some arrests of intoxicated drivers tonight. I've gotten to see a lot. I've gotten to film a whole lot, friends. I'll put all the videos together and show y'all. Here comes another fire truck. So meanwhile, there's a search underway for the driver of the Lambo. Let's see what's going on over here, y'all. Hold on. The guy ran off somewhere. They got a whole perimeter around this building. They're looking for him. I think they're about to deploy the dogs. He could be anywhere in there. Oh my goodness. He didn't get too far because they hurried up and surrounded the area. Man, poor lady, man, that sucks. I hate to be on a date and my date cuts up like that, man. Whew. And meanwhile, the dude's over here hiding for his life. Oh my goodness. Can you guys hear me? Shout out to HFD. Damn. It's around this area, Washington and surrounding. Washington and surrounding area, like it's like a whole little map. I'll show you guys when I get a chance. Thank you, friends. I feel so sorry for that lady, dude. I can't control the wind noise, y'all. Unless y'all want me to mute the video. Somebody made a comment about the wind. I cannot control Mother Nature. Hey, what's up? All right, let me wipe down the lens, y'all. All right, they got the canine, y'all. Here comes the canine. They got him. Here comes the canine. Y'all give me some hearts for canine. All right, canine officer is here at the scene. All right. Hey, how you doing, sir? Good, how are you? All right. What canine name is this one? All right. All right, they got the canine ready. He's ready for action. He's ready to nip. Ready. That pup is ready. Man, he's got a job ahead of him. I think he said Benzo, something like that.
I thought you were meeting right here. Just in case there's something that can happen.
Enzo. All right, Enzo the canine. Enzo the canine. Shout out to Enzo. I don't think Enzo has been on the Hood News before, so we'll see. We get to see Enzo in action. He's gonna find him real quick, baby. The canines do not play. Yes. Canine pups. All right, let's go. All right, so K9 is here. That was fast, right? All right, there they go. Yes. He's ready. He's ready to knit. He deserves lots of toys, treats, and pets. Wow, wow. I'm going to be wiping the lens again, friends, okay? Hold on. Dang, this might turn into like a SWAT standoff, you guys. Oh, my goodness. They got the police officer ready with his canine. And he's the bandit went somewhere in here, man, after crashing that Lambo into several other cars. Now, somebody's asking me about the damage on this vehicle. I don't know. I don't know if her car was hit or not. All right, here we go. There you go. Ooh, he's ready. He's ready, baby. Ooh. Good boy. Good boy. All right. Ooh, he's ready to go. Ooh. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, we just gotta stay back, and once they go into the perimeter, we'll stay outside.
Got it. All right. Enzo is ready to go. All right, there he goes.
This is as far as.
Okay, got it. There you go. Good boy. He's gonna go get him. Get him, boy. Look at him. He's ready. Ooh. Oh yeah, Enzo's ready. So if you're just now tuning in, this is Grizzy reporting live here with the Hood News. We're on West Dallas and Wall. There is a bandit on the loose. The guy crashed a Lambo. The Lamborghini that you guys see over there, he crashed it with his date on the passenger side, took off. He didn't care about his lady, not one bit, baby. He took off. He took off, and he ran into this building. The whole perimeter has been set around the building, so this guy is somewhere in here, and they're gonna shake him out. They're gonna shake him out like you shake him out of some bushes. Oh my God. All right. Another action-packed Hood News. Let's go. With boyfriends like that, I don't want one, man. Forget that. Hey, the pickings are slim, man. The Houston dating pool is horrible. You want a bad boy or you want a good boy? All right, so they're exploring, friends. There's quite a bit to look. Look how many floors this is. Oof. They're gonna find them though. Somebody's about to F around and find out, folks. This is Grizzy reporting live here with the Hood News. Shout out to Miller's Auto and Body Repair. All right, so here's the flatbed. They're about to pull that Lambo out of the scene. There they go. I don't know if she's going to jail, y'all. Like, the passenger might not go to jail, okay? So we don't know any of that. Like, I think they're looking for the guy. The female, she might be all right. Okay. All right. Man, he just needs to come out with his hands up. Like, seriously. Y'all text y'all's friend. He was seen running into this building. And it's a construction. 10-10 wall. All right. Oh, look at the hood pup. The hood pup. He thinks he's canine. Look. Look at the hood puppy. Baby, he's ready to nip too. He's asking if they got benefits for him. Oh my God, little hood pup. Look at hood pup, y'all. Ooh, he's nippy. He's barking at the people. He's barking at the police. So look, friends, I told y'all there's a huge initiative, right? So we've got a photographer out here. We've got the PIO out here. We got the chief out here. The mayor is out here. We got a lot of people out here. Y'all are going to be seeing them pull up shortly. We're doing a ride-along, myself, along with other people. We're members of the community, like the city council member. So we're out here doing a ride-along to address several issues, the racing, the loud noise ordinance violations, like different things. So the drunk drivers, they got 2. Harris County Sheriff's Office got 2, probably more since then. But they're right now looking for a guy that crashed a Lamborghini into several cars. He ran into this building. So we've got the HPD canine officers out here at the scene with several other officers. They're searching this perimeter. It's a building that's under construction. And so here we are, friends. Crazy stuff, y'all. The Lambo's still here. Get your snacks, friends. Go get your snacks. Shit. Paw Patrol. Okay. Here we go. What's going on? Dang, they might have to bring more backup. It's a lot of area to cover. Canine pup Enzo is making his debut on the Hood News. I don't think we've ever seen Enzo before. Maybe in past ones. But Enzo, the canine, is here at the scene right now. Hood pup. Look at the hood. There's 2 hood pups. Look. There's 2 of them. Ooh, they're ready to nip, baby. They want treats. All right, okay, the canine officer just passed that way. All right, friends, we're out here. This is Grizzy reporting live here off of West Dallas at Wall. Y'all be safe out here in these streets. Give me some thumbs up. Can you guys still hear me? Oh yeah, anytime, friends. I like to be. This makes me happy, just being out and about. And it makes us appreciate the people out here doing the work. Like our law enforcement, they're out here tireless hours, working hard. Our fire departments, first responders, everybody that helps. Media too, some media, not all media, but some media. Y'all know who y'all are. We got a lot of friends that are reporters. They're really great people. Hold on, friends. All right. Let's take a look at this building. That's a big building, friends. That guy could be anywhere. He could be anywhere. Oh my goodness. Jesus. Lambo to penthouses. There you go. So if you're just now tuning in, now I don't know if this was a pursuit or what, but some guy in a Lamborghini crashed here at the intersection of West Dallas and Wall. I don't even know where we're at. I don't know if this is what is this? Midtown? I don't know. Let me show y'all real quick. The dude crashed. His lady, she got hurt. Her nose is busted up, or her upper lip, one of the two, or both. Probably the combo, the Payao combo. Dude crashed this Lambo that you guys see here. Crashed into other cars too. There's like 2 or 3 vehicles. No, those are not beer cans, y'all. Airbag deployed on both sides. And he took off. He left this female. He took off, left her there. and he fled and ran into this building that you guys see here. Look, there's the mayor. Look at the mayor. Look at the mayor. He's on this ride along too.
Watching y'all earlier and we came over.
Oh, go ahead, Brad. All right. And I hear the hood pups. Look at the hood pups. They're ready to nip. Look at the puppies. Look at the hood pups. Look at the hood pups. Baby, they want to apply for canine. They want the benefits. They want that pension plan. Look. Oh. They're so adorable. Now, I can't walk up to the female. She's in the backseat of one of these cop cars. It'll buff out. Baby, the mayor, he's cool, man. I like the mayor. He's down to come see stuff. He's very active. We've got a very active mayor. He'll come out to a lot of scenes and anything, like in the middle of the night, 3 a.m., he's going to show up. Yes. So the dude crashed out, left his dame. He left her. He didn't take her with him. I mean, I wouldn't want to go. And the dude ran into this building, and so he's somewhere in there. They're looking for him right now. They're going to flush him out. They're going to flush that ass out. They're going to flush him out. They're with the canines right now. So this is Grizzy reporting live here, West Dallas at Wall. And we're here. Yes, friends. Yes. Yes. Hey, let me know if you're still here. Are you still here? Are we here? Yes? All right, they're getting the lady her purse. Aw. Hope she's going to be all right, man. Like, from one woman to another, you're enjoying your evening. You don't want to see another woman go through something like that. It's horrible, y'all. All right, they're going to load the Lambo up on a flatbed. Yeah, catch up in the morning, friend. Hey, thank you for joining us, DK Campbell. Shout out to you and all the work that you do selflessly for others, for reuniting missing kids back with their families. Thank you, friend. DK Campbell, thank you. All right, so meanwhile, HPD K9 and some officers are up here. They're looking for this cat, so I hope they get him. They're going to flush his ass out. All right, here's the loading of the Lambo. So much going on tonight. We got the mayor. This is H-Town's mayor. Mayor Whitmire is here at the scene. Yep. The bad boy car. Best tow in the house. The lady's clutching her pearls like, oh my God. Right across the infamous Jack in the Crack. Y'all remember when I was here and the 3 women were fighting and there was like a shooting? Oh my God. The stories I can tell about that Jack in the Crack. Oh. Man. I hope everybody else involved is okay. I don't see the other cars. I don't see where they took the other vehicles at. The ones that got hit. And the bandit could be anywhere, y'all. They got the whole building surrounded by officers right now. Yes. Glad she's alive, man. Prayers going up for the lady. Nobody wants this, you know, like, damn. The dude took off. I wonder what's going on. Andale. What's up? Oh, we got hoodie speeds there smirking at me. Oh. The Lambo. Flatbed power. Let's go. So I said, F that dude. He ain't no real man for real. Hey, shouting. If you see this, we got some real good dudes. You don't need this one. This one took off. Look at the hood pups. Look, friends, the hood pups are watching. They're so cute. Oh my God, I love those dogs. They're ready to nip. Those 2 dogs, the pups, they're ready to apply for canine. Lambo activities, y'all. Lambo activities. The bumper. Oh shit. Oh, that hurts. Ooh, scratching. Damn. Ooh. Oh man. Scratches. You know, in the hood, they wouldn't have given a shit. Hey. There it goes. All right. Vámonos. First class tickets. We are now boarding flight 747 via A La Chingada Airlines. Please stand clear of the automated doors and watch your step with disembarking. Our next stop will be A La Verga. Para aquellos pasajeros que están de pie, por favor, manténganse sentados. Nuestra próxima destinación será A La Chingada. Thank you for flying A La Chingada Airlines. The loser cruiser. What's up, friend? What's up? I don't know. Something tells me it's her car. It could be. I don't know. These dudes don't own nothing. Mm-mm. He's still in there, friends. So the guy ran in here. Yeah. All right, shout out to all our law enforcement out here. Crazy. Thanks for joining me, Hood News peeps. I'm thankful for you all. The guy's somewhere in this building, y'all. For those asking, where is the Lambo driver? He's somewhere in there. I don't know. More questions than answers. I hope they flush his ass out. Shit, he probably... I don't know, friends. I don't know. It's going to be tough. That poor canine's got to do all that work. I hope he gets lots of treats. Oh shit, oh shit, look at this idiot. Look at this person. Oh my God, she just really bypassed the police. Wow. What a night, dude. She tried to squeeze her car into the, like, oh my God. Dang, that sucks, dude. Like, friends, y'all can't pass the cars though. You gotta detour. They're searching for somebody. Oh, loud. She's smiling, dude. That's a different level, man. I'm afraid. She's smiling. When you're smiling, ooh, wee, look, she's smiling, y'all. Oh my God. Ooh, she's smiling, y'all. She said, I'm not from here. She said, Houston sucks. Well, welcome to H-Town, baby. She said, she's gonna be spreading cheeks. She's smiling, though. That smile is wicked. That's some scary shit. Jesus. It's a full moon. Where's the moon? I can't even see it because it's raining. I like her Crocs. Ooh. Bleep, 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 bleep. Bleep. She's from Washington, D.C. Shout out to all our Howard University people, man. Shout out. Shout out Washington, D.C. Oh, my God. My goodness. She's got a master's degree, she said. She's got a master's degree. Oh my God. Baby. Oh my God. Baby, I'm clutching my pearls. Oh, she's talking about Republicans. We learned a lot about her. I think she's a possible Scorpio. Possible Scorpio. Oh. Oh my. She said she read her research. You wouldn't have came to H-Town. Oh. Oh my God. Oh my God. Baby. It's about to get more litty than your baby mama's titty. Oh. Man, the Friday the 13th energy is unreal, y'all. This is some crazy shit. I gotta go home and curl up in a ball. I'm gonna go home and suck my thumb. Shout out to law enforcement. I don't know, friends. Oh my God. Shout out to law enforcement. There's our police chief and our mayor. all out here right now. All right. Are we gonna get sound? Okay, are y'all getting sound? I'm gonna go get my microphones. I'll be right back. Hold on. Let me get the microphones. Hold on, friends. All right. Hold on, friends. Almost. All right, hold on. Hold on, friends. All right, here we go. Who's gonna? Okay, cool. Thank you. 1, 2, 3. Give me some thumbs up, peeps. Let's go.
I'm ready.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Questions?
Oh, so can you explain what we're doing out here tonight?
Sure. We're conducting a surge in the Washington corridor to make sure that people are conducting themselves appropriately, that we're tackling the street racers, and that people can come and go and have fun and enjoy themselves here during the holiday season. So we're trying to ensure that the streets are safe. We have a big group of police officers, over 40 police officers. 5 different agencies are working out here today, and we're trying to make a positive impact in this area to keep it safe. Mayor?
Yes, I'm here tonight riding with the chief, supporting our officers. We're doing a surge on the Washington corridor. We're going as far over as the 610 on the north, the entertainment area along 19th and 20th Street, protecting the public and making certain that quality of life issues are recognized, sound ordinances, DWI. Just trying to keep our commitment to the public that we're here to serve. Got involved in the chase. It's here at Wall in Dallas, and I'm seeing firsthand the excellent police work and the commitment to public safety by HPD. And on behalf of Houstonians, I want to thank them for being out here in conditions that we're in, but they put their lives on the line each day for Houstonians, and I'm here representing the Houstonians saying thank you. And we're going to do a heavy recruitment of additional officers, and we're committed to public safety. It's my highest priority. So thank y'all for doing your job and letting the public know that we're here to serve. And I'm seeing a difference daily in the morale of HPD officers, and we appreciate the public support.
Any questions, Bridget?
Chief, can you tell us what agencies are involved in this initiative?
Yes, tonight it's us, HPD. We have a group of state troopers working with us. We have Metro PD helping. And we have the Harris County Sheriff's Office helping us as well. And I actually saw a few Precinct 1 Constable's office rolling around, stopping some cars. So it's truly a collaborative effort. That's the only way we can tackle these kinds of problems, is together, collectively, to make sure that everybody is responsible for their area and everybody can go and come here and enjoy themselves in this wonderful community, to make it safe, because that's what we owe the community, right? To make sure that we're doing our jobs.
And while we have a heavy recruitment for HPD, we're collaborating with other agencies. Certainly the state troopers are helping us with traffic enforcement, but the Sheriff's Office, Metro Police is actively involved. We're bringing agencies together for a multiplier of officers, and it's making a difference. And I want the community to know we're not going anywhere, and particularly we want the bad guys to know we're not going anywhere. So this is not a one-time surge. This is going to be the model that we take across Houston. So we thank you for the public support. I know the public supports law enforcement.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Can I get that microphone?
Mayor.
Thank you so much. Thank you. All right, we got a great mayor, man. We got a good team out here tonight, man. And I'm so glad and thankful that they invited me to come out, friends. this like is a, I didn't know that this area had a lot of issues like this, man, but they say it's like this all the time. So residents have been reaching out about the noise level, like people that live in the area, stuff like that. Then we see this chase, baby. I didn't know. It's pretty lit. And then we had somebody smiling. That lady smiling when she's getting arrested, man. That was crazy. Oh my God. Yes, that's pretty wild, right? Man, prayers going up for law enforcement. I hope they find this guy. They're still looking for him. Like there's a lot of floors. Oh, look at the hood pups. Hood puppies. Man, they're still up there, friends. They're looking for the suspect that jumped out of a Lambo following a crash during a pursuit. The guy was trying to evade from law enforcement, so we just heard that part right now. I wasn't too sure at the beginning, so, you know, I don't like to make up things. So, yeah, it was a pursuit. The guy ran off in here, left his date in the back, you know, he left her in the crash scene, and they're waiting right now. I want to thank Captain. I'm riding with her tonight, so thank you all. I bring the hoodies peeps with me, so I'm very thankful for this opportunity to come out here and show you guys what's going on, you know, with law enforcement. Oh dang! Somebody says damn, this was somebody's vehicle. Oh no. Damn, man. Hopefully it has all the insurance to it. Man. So sorry to hear that. People have nice things and then others don't take care of them, man. That sucks. Hold on, let me wipe down the lens. All right, there we go. And it's only 11:30. Like, we haven't gone through everything. Like, it's only 11:30. I hope we can get this guy out. I love y'all too, Irma. Hey, thank you. Thanks for tuning in, my night owls. Crazy stuff happening. So we're here off of West Dallas and Wall. There was a pursuit. There they are right there. Look. You'll see the light. You see the lights? There they go. They're searching. There they are right there. Dang, they only made it to that floor, friends. They got the canine. Canine Enzo is up there. They're looking for this guy. They're not. Dang. Y'all see him? Oh, man. Our officers are getting a workout, man. Dang. I saw another flashlight over there. Look, there's another flashlight right there. Dang.
He's 1.5.
A micro?
Huh?
A micro?
Yeah. Up to the next.
So the hood pups behind me, the little cute ones, they're half Chihuahua poodle mixes. How cute. And they're ready to nip. Dang, that bandit might be anywhere by now. Get them, Enzo. Yes, they need more than one dog in that huge building. Yeah. Hey, Hope. Thank you. Thank you, friends. Well, shit. I'll be back in a little bit in case they do flush his ass out. Look, there goes the flashlights. Right there. Right there. There they go. Dang. There's a lot of scaffolding, a lot of, like, this isn't constructed. This is dangerous, probably. Damn, man. The owner of the Lambo just pulled up, man. That sucks. The owner of the Lambo, I guess, is he owns like a rental maybe or something. The owner. So yeah, I just overheard the owner of the Lambo right there that you guys see right there. He pulled up right now. Somebody said, what if dude is in home in bed watching the live? Somebody said, oh my God, it was stolen. I don't know if it was stolen. I don't know. Somebody just pulled up. I don't know, friends. Oh man, they could be anywhere right now. Hey, how y'all doing? Yeah, probably a rented situation. What a night, right? And it's not even midnight yet. Man, the night has just started, friends. I think I'm gonna start camping out over here. Well, look, I'm gonna be back in a little bit. Let me preserve some of this battery because we still got till 3 a.m. So I don't know, friends. I got a busy day tomorrow too. Oh, let me tell y'all what tomorrow we're gonna do. Remember that little girl, the little baby doll girl? I forgot her name. Ivory Smith. Tomorrow there's gonna be a prayer vigil for Ivory Smith. She's the one that was in the car with her mom when a drunk driver slammed into them at an intersection, I think off of Bammel. Tomorrow there's gonna be a prayer vigil, so I was invited to go out. So we will be there, friends. We will be there. Ivory Smith, the little beautiful girl, the one that had the letter from Santa. We're gonna be out there for them tomorrow. I haven't gotten any more updates. I'm waiting for grandma, the situation where the lady was walking with the grandbaby on the stroller. I haven't heard from them. I know that they were near the crash site earlier today. I don't know what's gonna happen. I don't know if they need our help or not, but as soon as I hear something back, I don't bother people. I let them be, and if they want our help, they can reach out. So yeah, just waiting to whatever, if they need anything. So yeah. So stay tuned, and I've got other activities as well. I've got some other activities lined up, so it's gonna be a busy day for the Hood News. I hope I can make everything, and if I don't, I'm so sorry. All right, friends. So I'll see y'all in a little bit, okay? reporting live. It's your girl Grizzy. Back to you, friends. If they catch this guy, I will go live again.